Class B motorhomes, or simply known as campervans, are the perfect vehicles for those who want a perfect balance between convenience off the pavement and home-like amenities. And when it comes to off-roading, these versatile and compact vehicles are the way to go. So here in this video, we have compiled the top 5 Class B motorhomes for off-roading. Enjoy! Ready for a ride that will make you feel like a modern-day explorer? Introducing the Pleasureway REKON 4x4, a compact RV that's taking off-road travel and overlanding to the next level. Built on the sturdy Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 4x4 chassis, the Class B motorhome is like a trusty steed that can take you anywhere you want to go. Plus, with its sleek side and rear door roll-up screens, you'll feel like you're riding in a luxury convertible without having to deal with pesky bugs or the harsh sun. The moment you hit the dirt trail, you'll be grateful for the black Rhino wheels and Toyo tires that come standard with this vehicle. Inside the RV, you'll find everything you need to live off the grid, including a Murphy bed that disappears during the day, giving you extra space to move around. Need a workstation to get some work done? The garage workstation has got you covered. And when it's time to relax and unwind, pull out the REKON table and kick back with a cold one. But let's not forget the galley kitchen with a sink. It's perfect for washing up after a long day of exploring or whipping up a tasty meal. Next on the list is the Hymer Free S Blue Evolution, a perfect starter Class B motorhome for anyone who craves flexibility, style, and excitement on the road. With its sporty construction and sleek design, this campervan is sure to turn heads on the highway. And once you arrive at your destination, you'll be amazed at the clever and flexible interior design that offers plenty of room for up to 4 happy campers to relax and recharge. But the real magic happens when you pop up the roof to reveal up to 4 berths, all in a compact package that's just 5.93 meters long. That's right, this RV is like a transformer, ready to morph into a comfortable and cozy living space at a moment's notice. And speaking of living space, the S Blue Evolution also features a multi-talented multimedia system that's perfect for infotainment, navigation, and communication. But don't worry, the driving experience is just as thrilling as the living experience. With its smooth handling and compact size, this motorhome is designed to provide a relaxed and enjoyable driving experience. So go ahead and hit the open road. Adventure is waiting for you. Strap on your adventure hat and get ready to hit the road with the Wilderness Van's West Coast Double. It's the perfect van for the off-road enthusiast who wants to live life to the fullest. This motorhome is based on a Ford Transit 4x4, but is also available on the Ram ProMaster 159 and the Mercedes Sprinter 170. But what really sets it apart is the 2-seat tri-fold bed, perfect for lounging during the day and getting some restful shut-eye at night. And with the power lift upper bed, you'll have even more sleeping space and storage than you know what to do with. This van is built tough to handle whatever the road throws your way. Whether you're cruising through the desert or splashing through the mud, the West Coast Double can handle it all. And when you need to refuel, the galley kitchen area has got you covered with a Dometic sink and stove combo. Plus, with high-quality cabinets and ample storage space, you'll never have to leave your favorite gear behind. Bring your mountain bikes, your surfboards, your fishing rods, anything you want. Whether you're looking for a van that can handle the rugged terrain while still offering the luxury you deserve, then you can never go wrong with the Belle Starr by Off-Highway Van. This Class B motorhome is built on a 4x4 Sprinter chassis, so you can blaze through the desert or climb mountains like a true outlaw. And with original layouts like the Sundance Kid, you'll be riding in style with new innovative upgrades. The unique part of the Belle Starr is its dynamic seating arrangement. Plus, the plush lounge area is perfect for relaxing after a long day on the trail, and the seats easily convert into a secondary bed system for your posse. So whether you're bunking with your favorite people or giving your mates a ride, the Belle Starr has got you covered. When the day is done, the full bed system provides a cozy place to rest your weary bones. And when it's time to rustle up some meals, the galley kitchen is equipped with all the proper gear to make cooking on the go a breeze. Whip up some beans and bacon or fry up some catfish, the choice is yours. To conclude, we have the Airstream Interstate 24X. This camper van will take you on a wild ride beyond your wildest van life dreams. The fully loaded adventure van has an aggressive stance and cutting-edge amenities, so you're all-time ready to explore. If you're taking the whole family along for the ride, the 24X has got you covered with its abundant space and best-in-class safety and performance. But that's not all. This van is maxed out with premium features that will have you living in luxury on even the wildest of journeys. And when your hunger strikes, the thoughtful kitchen space is there to make sure you don't go hungry on the road. But what about all your gear, you ask? The Interstate 24X design has got you covered with plenty of space to load and unload through the rear doors. You can securely store bicycles and gear on the aluminum aircraft L-tracks or toss in kayaks, fishing gear, paddle boards, or loaded storage containers with zero obstruction. And if you need to tuck items out of sight, there's plenty of room under the bench seating as well as the overhead storage racks. So that was our third video on top 5 Class B motorhomes for off-roading. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments section, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.